Hello.
Parabola. Why do you think it's parabola? Parabolas always have an x squared or a y squared, but the other one is always not squared. Do we not have two things that are squared in there? Okay, then that's not a parabola. What could it possibly be?
A triangular.
Could be a what or what? Ellipse. Or a what? Hyperbola. Now, if it's a hyperbola, what would be between those x squareds and y squareds? Minus sign. Is there a minus sign? No, so it's an ellipse, but it's a special kind of ellipse. Why? If I were to move the 25 over, the 25 would be here and here, wouldn't it? Means the radius is the same, both up and down and left and right. What do we call a ellipse where the radius is the same left and right and up and down? Circle. So this is a circle. How do I know that? Because the numbers in front are the same. And there is a plus. Make a note of that. Then Dugan's going to help us with number 2. Or, yes, number 2. Dugan, what do we have there?
We have an ellipse.
How do you know we have an ellipse?
Because the squares in. Oh, wait, no. No, yeah, we have an ellipse.
How do we know we have an ellipse? Are the numbers the same?
No.
No. Which means it's going to have different radiuses, right?
Yeah.
Does it have a plus in the middle?
Yes.
So it is an ellipse, but it's got different different values for x and y. So because of that, it would be an ellipse and not a circle, right? So the numbers in front of the x squared and y squared are different, and there's a plus in the middle. It's an ellipse. Cameron, 3.
Parabola.
Parabola. Why parabola?
Because the x is squared, the y isn't.
One of them squared, one of them is not. That's a parabola.
Okay.
Swick, tell me about 4.
It's the thing that we were just doing.
Which is called a
Hyperbola?
hyperbola.
Ebola.
Hyperbola. And how do you know that?
Because they have opposite signs.
Because there's a minus in between the x squareds and the y squareds, right?
Yeah.
All right, that's how I know that. Go ahead and do the last 4. Go. Oh. I've got x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 8y equals 8. First thing I would notice, and I don't have to notice to keep going, but if I look, I've got x squared and y squared, so we're talking about a what? An ellipse or a circle, one of the two, right?
Wait, why isn't it a anti-ellipse?
Because there's no minus in front of the y squared or the x squared. Here we go. So I'm going to separate this. Y squared plus 8y equals 8. Take a look at this. Nothing in front of the x squared and y squared. Now I'm going to go ahead and half the middle term is -1. Squared becomes 1. Half the middle term is 4. Squared becomes 16. So far, so good? So now I'm going to go x minus 1 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 25. Now, no number in front here and here, right? So this is a circle, or an ellipse with a radius of 5 and a radius of 5. Just a waste of time. So I'm going to draw a circle, so I pop up my graph paper, hopefully. What do I know about my circle? I know it shifted 1 to the left. Nope, that's a lie. 1 to the right. Down 4. There's my center. Of a radius of 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is it circle?
Draw my circle.
Wait, is it so it's 5 because it equals 25?
right? Because what's the square root of 25?
5.
5. It's radius.
That's just how.
How it is. How it rolls.
If we plug things in, will it work?
Good luck with that.
Why? Good luck with
Because you got x and y with squares in it. Solving that pain in the neck, you'd actually have to factor it every single time for each individual
But
when you put it
I
in
don't
there.
have to know any math. I could just plug in and
And it would take you an hour and a half to do every problem.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, no. All right, good.
That's what I was trying to tell
So we
Cameron
move
over
this to the
here.
other side. We go y minus 8 equals x squared minus 2x.
Then you plug in the numbers.
I got to complete the square. Half of this term is -1. Squared would be +1. I've done a +1 over here.
Wait, isn't it plus 8?
But you're wrong. Oh, it's +8. That's even better. Thank you. It's going to turn out not so good over here. So y plus 9 equals x minus 1 squared.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah?
Ho, ho.
So to write in the proper format, though, there's a number in front of the y. It's 4p. What's p got to be in order for there to be 1 in front? Spin, what you got for me? A little tricky. Well, let's back up. This is a 1, right? Invisibly in front of there? I need the 1 to be equal to 4p. So what's p equal to?
1/4.
1/4. So I could write this as 4 times 1/4 y plus 9 equals x minus 1 squared.
What
Agreed?
is the point of doing that?
It's fun. So here we go. I need my graph paper, visible. I'm going to go the color of, what color did I go, Aspen? Green, good call. Ooh, that's a sharp green. All right. So now I'm going to go like this with my graph paper. They shuffle it suspiciously high, so I'm going to go high. And then they say that I'm going to go down 9. Well, I feel like that wouldn't be on your graph paper. Also, they count by 2s. That's nice. Hate that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1 to the right. So there's my vertex. Agreed? All right. Now, my p is 1/4. So I'm going to go 1/4 up to get to my foci. But more importantly, because I didn't ask you about the foci, I'm going to go how far left and right? I don't remember. It's going to be double my p.
Oh, 1/2.
So 2 times 1/4 is 1/2. So I'm going to go 1/2 this way, 1/2 that way. That's all the points I need. Good luck for graphing it, though. But what the heck? We did it anyways, and that's all we're asked to do. So we'll go whoop,
Wait, but
whoop, and we'll call it a day.
Wait.
Aspen looks unconvinced, too. Yes.
If it's y plus 9, x minus 1 squared, right? So you went down 9 and 1 over, right?
Yes,
But y plus 9 isn't squared.
that's true.
What you doing there?
Same thing. It's the general form of parabola.
I'm pretty sure that's called cheating.
Okay.
But it needs to be squared. X minus
Why?
1 squared.
Well, one of them needs to be square, one's not squared to be a parabola, right?
And that's what we call it.
All right.